was talking with one of our clients on a coaching call today, and I figured I'd share it with you guys because I think it might be helpful. But I was talking with one of our clients, and he was basically struggling with the fact that he felt like he had to always offer paid ads to his clients to get them to sign the deal and move forward with him. And there's a really good saying where it's basically sell them what they want to give them what they need. And a lot of these clients he was talking to didn't necessarily want paid ads. They just wanted organic. And this specific client, he had grown his own personal organic following from 0 to 50K, 50,000 followers on his Instagram. And so he was definitely very qualified to sell this service to the client. But when he offered paid ads, he felt like all of a sudden he wasn't qualified anymore. And so he had that kind of belief that was like bleeding through in the sales call to where he felt like he didn't have enough proof or social proof. So he wasn't really pushing on the deals because he didn't really believe in what he was selling. And I think it's a really good reminder for all of us, including myself, that you really need to focus on selling the client what they want to then give them what they need. When in reality, like a lot of these business owners didn't have a very big social presence, and like organic will take them a long time. If that's all they want to buy, sell them that. And then once they're done with that, then you can, on the back end, sell them paid ads or sell them, running ads using the organic content that you created for them. So I think it's just a really good reminder that you shouldn't be too focused on selling what you want. Instead, you need to focus on selling what the client wants at the end of the day. Because if you try to kind of force something to them or, force them to buy something that they don't feel like they need, even though they would benefit from it, they won't buy it because they don't think that's what they need, right? It's a good reminder. And, Hormozy talks about this too, but it's like, if you're trying to feed a dog a pill, like you don't want to just give them the pill because then they're going to spit it out. You want to wrap it in bacon, right? So you want to wrap what you're selling to your clients in a wrapper of what they want, and you have to be ethical, obviously, but like in a wrapper of what they want, not necessarily what you want. And if you're struggling on sales calls, then I would just take a look at like, are you trying to sell clients something that they don't necessarily want? And if so, like how can you put a better wrapping paper on it to still give them what they need, but sell them what they want? So just a takeaway, figured I'd make a short video on it. If you guys enjoy this style of content, let me know. Otherwise, I will keep doing breakdown videos and breakdown YouTube videos like I do, and hopefully that'll be helpful for you guys. But hopefully it helps. See you in the next one.